You might think holding in a sneeze is polite, but it can actually destroy your hearing. When you sneeze, your lungs violently blast air upwards at over 100 miles per hour. But if you clamp your nose and mouth shut, that hurricane of pressure gets completely trapped inside your skull. With nowhere to escape, the air is violently redirected backward, shooting deep into your ear canals. This intense blast can literally rupture your eardrums from the inside out. So next time, just let it fly.